Everybody, welcome to another installment of Crypto Moose in the Moose is Loose. Like, comment, subscribe, but only do so if you enjoy the video. So I'm going to do my part, hopefully, and what we're going to do today is we're going to go over my top 5 Cardano NFTs. So definitely let me know if you agree with these top 5 picks. I think you're going to enjoy this one. I know I am. So definitely smash the like button, and hopefully you are a subscriber. Thank you all. I actually appreciate it. I know some YouTubers are just about the numbers, and we will get there. But for now, I just want to provide as much value as possible. So today we are March 27th. I'm filming for this week. So if something happens between now and I guess Friday, I won't be able to cover it immediately, but that's okay. So what we're going to do is head over to JPEG store. So let me cut over to that. And what I want you to do is make a list yourself. Maybe you do find a couple of these NFT projects to be useful, and maybe you just feel like you need to research them. So now's the time to do that. So we are on JPEG store. Of course, this is the biggest and the most popular, marketplace for Cardano NFTs. And it was CNFT, but once smart contracts hit, JPEG store just took over. So I was there to see that, which was very interesting. So if we take a look at my wallet, I got connected. I do have some NFTs in here, so we will go over that a touch. And if you did watch the video that's coming out this week, we went over the MinSwap decks. So I just want to let you know that I just finished filming that. And the Copi tokens did hit my wallet. So I did pick up another 2,500 Copi. So, for all of you dudes out there, tell your hot sisters that the Moose has a lot of Copi. So, of course, if, she's old enough. So, anyways, let's go into the video. My top 5. Number 1. Numero uno, ocho cinco, right? Or whatever it is. Boss Cat Rocket Club. All right. So Boss Cat Rocket Club. And I want to try to do this under 15 minutes because I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. So Boss Cat Rocket Club. I was in early on this project, and I do own one. So, man, I'm going to have to pull that up as well. Let me pull up my wallet because I do indeed own some of these NFTs, which makes it very exciting. But the Boss Cat Rocket Club, they look phenomenal. And ultimately, the art should be there. There should be some form of utility. And you should be able to resell it in the future and have that and get that vibe, right? So here's my wallet, one of them. I have 45 different wallets, basically. But if we take a look here, I do own a Boss Cat Rocket Club. So if anybody wants this, well, you can't have it because I own it. It's in my wallet, right? You got to crack open my hardware wallet that I have in Venezuela. So, or is it in Paris? I don't know. So here's my Boss Cat, just to show you that I did invest and I did get in early. And I may have already produced a video on this. This NFT used to be very cheap. We should be able to see that in the activity. Yeah. So when I first got it, I think I paid, 180 ADA. So it was $80, if that. Now it's worth $500. I'm talking Canadian money, but still. I like Boss Cat Rocket Club because in terms of NFTs, when it comes to the art and owning an NFT, you want it to be fun. You don't want it to take itself too serious. Look at the success of the top Ethereum NFTs. In the Boss Cat Rocket Club, they look phenomenal. They're very boring. They got that Bored Ape kind of vibe, and we will talk about that here in a minute. But they are also affordable. I think these will be 5, 10, 15, maybe 30,000 ADA in years to come. There's only 10,000 assets, 9,999, and the floor is low right now. And it was very cheap. Maybe I got it under 100 ADA. I have, it's on the public blockchain, so I will know. All right, so that's going to be the first one. Boss Cat Rocket Club, a beautiful project. I think the art's good. Utility's there. They're building quite a bit going forward. Number 2, Number 2 was tough, but I'm going to have to go with the Ape Society. And by the way, these are ranked from my favorite to least favorite in terms of rarity and what I think is the best to hold on to long term. So the Ape Society, really interesting art, and they are worth, pretty much the most when it comes to the NFTs, other than the World Mobile Node NFTs. But they are cool. They have names. They are very quirky. I should have got one. I missed out on it. But they are very interesting, and they are building a lot. So if you go to their website, and all you have to do is click on this link right here, and that's pretty much all you have to do for most of them. So you have their Discord, you have the Twitter, and everything on the right-hand side in the top right. But they have a decent website, and of course they have, different rarities and utilities, and I think they have their games and everything else already set to go. But that's definitely going to be number 2. I don't own one, so I can't speak about it too much. But, I think they do have the staking and all that. So anyways, all of these NFTs that I'm talking about, I think they're just going to do well long term. Not telling you to buy any, but these are the ones that I would get in this order. So number 3, we're going to go into Copi now. So this is not on the list, but if we go to the Copi Bubble Jets, I love this NFT. A very good entry point. And of course, Cornucopias, the Copi token, I think that's a good investment. That's what I'm doing. Not telling you to do that. But the reason I'm bringing up the Bubble Jets, what Cornucopias is planning on doing is launching their racing game first before they launch the entire ecosystem of the game. Reason being is that it's going to be easier to fix the racing game and provide feedback, and then they can implement that when they launch their game as well. So these are very affordable, about 170 ADA. And yeah, I own quite a few of these. If I go to one of my wallets, I think I have like 7 of these. So I'm just hoarding these. I think they're going to do well. I'd like to own 50 of them, but that would just be nonsense. And the problem is I could do it. I could own 50. Comment down below if the moose should get loose and own 50 Bubble Jets. I don't know. It makes sense to me the more I talk about it, but anyways, these are great. You're going to be able to connect it and use them in the game, and they're just cheap. They're cheap. They look cool. They're fun. And Cornucopias is amazing. I think this is going to be a clear winner. We're going to look back. You're going to go back on the channel, and you're going to be like, wow, this guy was right. Right? You're going to stop calling me Crypto Moose. You're going to call me the Jesus of crypto. So anyways, the next one is Copiland, and you could also say the Copi Domes. So those are 2 options for you. So you have the domes here. They're a little more expensive, but I wanted to bring up the land because I think the land is pretty sweet as well. So if we take a look again, very affordable. I mean, you're talking about $60, $70, and that's much cheaper compared to a lot of Ethereum and Solana-based NFTs. So these are lands that you can pick up. The floor is very low. So 51 USD, about 70 Canadian. And yeah, they just look sweet. I think they look good. They're going to offer a lot of utility. I believe once you build on the land as well, you can then resell the NFT. So that's one of the beautiful things about NFTs is that after you use it, you can now resell it. It's not like you have real land and real issues. It's all digital. So as long as you appreciate the asset, or if the game gets better in that regard, the asset will appreciate, and they are scarce as well. So it's just very interesting when you get into the complexities of non-fungible assets. So that's going to be Copiland. That's number 4. Number 5, and this is controversial, right? I want to go controversial with this. I want to just make this so that it's like a Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial here. So Bored Ape Cardano Club. Bored Ape Cardano Club. I did a brief video on this one. I've been flipping these. I think I still have one in my wallet, 1 or 2. I don't even know. But I bought 7 or 8 of them for about 50 ADA, 50, 60 ADA. And I've been flipping them. So here we go. So I've got a couple right here. I like the one with the bubble gum, so I'm going to keep that one. So I have that one in this particular wallet. I probably have one in a different wallet, but I don't know. I got too many. So anyways, they're about 195, about 200, you could say. but they look cool. Now, the controversial aspect, of course, is you have the Bored Ape Yacht Club on the Ethereum blockchain. Those are very popular. This is not just a derivative, but an absolute ripoff of that project. But they are cool and they are different and they are pretty unique. And I just think these will do well. I think, when I bought them, I did a video on it on the channel. I just saw them and I was like, this is going to go up, right? Because they're way better than everything else that we have. And if they can really provide any sort of utility, comment down below. Do you like the Bored Ape Cardano Club? It's very controversial. Some people are upset, and I get that. If people rip off my content, I don't like it as a video creator. But anyways, those are my top 5. Let me know if you agree. Right now, we're also launching a new cryptocurrency course that hasn't come out yet. But when it does, check it out. It's going to be called the Crypto and NFT Masterclass 3-in-1 course. Been working on it for 3 years. And we also have tons of online courses. So if you go in the links in the description below, I have video production courses. I've got AI courses. I've got relationship coaching courses. I don't teach that one. I'm terrible at relationships. But anyways, definitely check it out. We've got the best NFT course right here. So Crypto NFT for beginners. And we just have tons of other crypto related courses. My favorite one being, if I can find it, it's a 10-day cryptocurrency challenge. Here we go. It's rated 4.4. These aren't my ratings. These are everybody enrolling. So definitely check it out. And that's all we have for you in this episode. Don't forget, pick yourself up a hardware wallet if you have more than $500 worth of crypto and NFT assets. If it's not your keys, it's not your cheese. Subscribe.